How to fix mouse cursor disappeared in Windows 11. So if you want to fix the mouse cursor disappeared in Windows 11, then the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to update the mouse driver. Now to do that, you just need to simply right click on your Windows button and you need to go with the device manager option. From the list of options, now you need to go with the device manager window. You need to expand the mice and other pointing devices and click on the problematic device and select the driver update. So go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device will already install. But if it is not installed, then it will install, and go with close. And after that, you can restart your computer and check if the problem fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then another useful solution is to enable the touchpad. Now to do this, you need to press on the Windows button and then you need to go with settings, open up your settings. And after that, go with the Bluetooth and devices, which is here on the left side. And under Bluetooth and devices, you need to simply go with the touchpad option. And you can simply go and enable the touchpad. Make sure that it is enabled or toggled on. And after that, you need to restart your computer and check that if your problem has been fixed. But if that doesn't, then another useful solution is to unhide the mouse pointer. What you need to do is simply go with your Windows button, press your Windows button, and simply search for mouse settings. Click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now in here, you need to scroll down and go with the right side until you find additional mouse settings. Go with additional mouse settings and you will get this kind of interface, a new kind of window. Now make sure to uncheck the box which is under hide pointer while typing, and click on OK and then click on apply and restart your computer, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last method is to restore your PC. To do that, you need to press the Windows button and then type RSTRUI and hit the enter. Or just go with RSTRUI and click on this command. And here you just need to simply go with next and choose the earliest point in time before the problem occurred and click on next once again, and then start by clicking on the finish button, which will proceed with the restoration. Now you can just sit back and relax and wait until it's done, and then you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. So that's how you can fix your mouse cursor disappeared in Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.